One Planet backpacks are supportive, ventilated, and lightweight, designed to help you carry load on multi-day journeys. Selecting the right size is essential for enjoyable bushwalking. After receiving a backpack, taking the time to fit it correctly will make for comfortable and healthy load carrying. A properly adjusted harness has the hip belt firmly secured around the hip bone, with the buckle central and generally on or below the navel. Shoulder straps should be done up firmly with a nice even curve over the shoulder. This seam should be roughly around the collarbone. The harness on One Planet packs can be adjusted to better fit your size and physique. Each size can be made smaller or larger if required. We suggest watching this video completely before fitting your pack. When you're ready to begin, have a light load in your backpack and loosen all the straps. The majority of load you carry is transferred down the frames and through the hip belt and lumbar pad. Start by tightening the hip belt firmly around the hips, making an X shape across the body. Make sure the buckle is central and below the navel. If the hip belt is sitting high above the hips at the waist, it is too high. The primary purpose of the shoulder straps is to stabilize and balance the upper pack, not to carry all of the load. To fit, pull down and to the back. They should feel secure. Stabilizing straps are used to pull the weight closer to your back, reducing movement of the load and pack sway. They should be done up firm, but not tight. The ideal fit has an even curve over the shoulder. If it looks like this, you will need to readjust or loosen the top stabilizer. This seam should sit on or near the collarbone. The sternum strap should be moved into a comfortable position. Over-tightening causes distorted shaping of the shoulder straps and poor load distribution. When taking the pack off, remember to loosen the hip belt and shoulder straps before unclipping the buckles, and lift with the knees. The harness on One Planet packs can be adjusted to better fit your size and physique. Each size can be made smaller or larger if required. This unique adjustment system encourages an exact fit. The shoulder straps are positioned on the pack body via hook and loop behind the frame. To adjust, break the connection and move the strap up or down the frame. Secure by pressing down firmly. Pack fitting is a personal thing. It may take some time to work out what is most comfortable for you, and track conditions may also affect how you carry your pack. Whether it's a multi-day hike or just a short day trip, it's worth investing the time to make sure that you have a good fit. For more information or assistance, contact One Planet.